Glad you're watching Midday, everybody. Joined now by Brian Decker. He is the owner and founder of Decker Retirement Planning. And we're talking about Social Security and Medicare. Generally speaking, Brian, those two things, right, are thought of as reliable retirement benefits. Is that fair to say at this point?
Yes and no, Nisha. The Social Security is there to supplement retirement income, and Medicare is there to supplement health care costs. And both are in place, but the strategies to put those together are very different for each person.
Okay, let's talk about Social Security first then. How can you help ensure that you are using that to your financial advantage?
Okay, the individual, if they're married or not, if there's a big age difference, if they're widowed or divorced, if they have disabled sons or daughters, all changes that. So there's literally hundreds of ways that you can draw your Social Security. So I'm going to direct listeners, viewers, to our website, deckerretirementplanning.com, and that will give us the opportunity to send a 12-page report to anyone who wants it. And on the top of page 4, it will literally tell them specifically to the month how they can draw the most Social Security benefit possible.
Brian, you say 12 pages, and I say, can I navigate that? Is it easy to look through and figure out on your own?
Yeah, it's user-friendly. At the very top of page 4, it'll tell you the way to draw the most Social Security. And the difference, Nisha, between drawing the least and the most, we've done hundreds of these, is typically $200,000 or $300,000 in benefit left behind if they don't do their homework. Now, government employees are there to tell you no if you make a mistake, but they're not there to tell you how to do it right.
That's a good amount of cash.
Yeah.
That could go in your wallet, everybody. What about Medicare? Is there a way to make sure that you have enough coverage for all of those health costs that you incur in retirement?
Okay, so Medicare supplements health care costs, and we used to have a person on staff specific for this. We got rid of them when YouTube came on with incredible information. So YouTube, if you type in Medicare supplemental coverage options. If you type that in, you'll see the top 2 viewed Medicare videos, and they're spectacular. You can take notes, you can scroll down, watch it again as many times as you want, and you can put your strategy together.
That's perfectly. So good to know. That I love you said it talks through it beautifully. What if someone would like to meet with you in person about their accounts?
Yep, they would go to deckerretirementplanning.com and schedule an appointment. We can help them with either one.
We're going to put that phone number on the screen, everybody, 833-717-3030. And Brian mentioned that website, but again, it is deckerretirementplanning.com. If you need help understanding your options with Social Security and Medicare, contact Brian and the team at Decker Retirement Planning today. Brian, thank you so much for stopping by.
Thanks, Nisha.